Preterm delivery is a very important part of pregnancy which needs attention. Any factors which can lead to preterm delivery should be avoided. So today in this video, I'll be talking about some risk factors which can lead to preterm delivery. First of all, alcohol and smoking. Alcohol and smoking during pregnancy must always be avoided. As soon as we get pregnant, we should stop it. And during pregnancy also, they can affect the growth of the baby and they can predispose the patient to preterm delivery. So they must be avoided. Secondly, if the patient has any history of preterm vaginal delivery, then she needs extra care in the next pregnancy. So this history has to be given to the doctor so that they can take the necessary actions. If she has any fibroids or any cysts which can lead to pressure on the uterus, they can also predispose to preterm delivery, so they need to be tackled. And last but not the least, if the patient's uterus is weak, that is, if she has any congenital defect in which the uterus is not able to hold the babies, then also she can have preterm delivery. So stitch needs to be put, she needs to be given some injections. So all these things need to be taken care of. So preterm delivery has to be dealt with very carefully so that we can reduce the chance of a preterm birth. A preterm baby has a lot of problems and needs to stay in the nursery for at least 2 to 3 months. For any further queries, do contact us. Thank you.